Quantum physics is a branch of physics used to understand the fundamental building blocks of the natural world. This field examines events that occur on a microscopic level, exploring the basic concepts of atoms, particles, and energy. Quantum physics is an area where traditional physics rules do not apply, and seemingly contradictory phenomena emerge. This article will focus on the development of quantum physics and its significant outcomes. The foundations of quantum physics were laid in the early 20th century when Max Planck introduced the theory of energy quanta. Subsequently, Albert Einstein's work on the photoelectric effect revealed the particle-like properties of light. However, the concept of wave-particle duality, which is the cornerstone of quantum physics, was further developed through the mathematical work of Louis de Broglie. Quantum physics gained significant momentum in the 1920s with contributions from physicists such as Niels Bohr, Werner Heisenberg, and Erwin Schrödinger. Heisenberg introduced the uncertainty principle, while Bohr focused on atomic models. Schrödinger, on the other hand, defined wave functions with his famous Schrödinger equation. Quantum physics has produced outcomes that go beyond the realm of traditional physics, challenging the limits of classical logic. Numerous experimental findings have revealed the peculiar behaviors of particles, such as uncertainty, superposition, and quantum transitions. These phenomena are consistent with the wave-particle duality and the uncertainty principle, which form the foundation of quantum physics. Quantum physics also has a significant impact on modern technology. Advancements in areas such as quantum computers, quantum communication, and quantum-sensitive measurement devices are being made. These new technologies offer various advantages, including secure communication, faster computations, and more precise measurements. In conclusion, quantum physics plays a crucial role in understanding the mysteries underlying nature and contributing to the development of new technologies. It continues to push the boundaries of our understanding and has far-reaching implications in both scientific and technological fields.